those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah, when you're not around me.
What's up, KJ gang, and I'm back again for another video. So I'm doing another makeup tutorial. It's gonna be half. It's gonna be sped up, and it's gonna be me talking and whatever. So today I'm gonna do a rainbow eyeshadow effect. I haven't done that before, so I hope I do okay. I'm still practicing of a makeup artist, but let's just see how it goes. Before I get into this video, hit the like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you get videos from me every single time I post. Now let's get into this video. So I'm gonna moisturize my face. I started summer like 2 months ago because I finished college. My graduation is this Wednesday. I'm gonna get the diploma. I'm gonna put the primer from Miss A. Do you guys know Miss A? It's an American store slash website that sells makeup, accessories, not $30 or $40 for 50 things. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I use e.l.f. because I actually kind of like it, and I'm almost done, so I think I might need to buy another one because, like, if you can see. So how do you guys draw your eyebrows? Comment down below and let me know how you guys draw your eyebrows, because I do the top and I do the bottom and I make my shape and then I fill it in after. Everyone does it differently, you know? Some people just start coloring it in right away. And I'm like, okay, comment down below and let me know what's your favorite makeup product. It could be like a makeup product, like eyeshadow, foundation, whatever, or it could be the actual name brand of it. So comment down below, let me know, and maybe I'll check it out if I haven't tried it already. But like I said, if you have something that you guys like but it's expensive, you can still comment down below. But I'm probably not gonna buy it because, you know, me a cheap. When I tell you that my eyebrows look like shit right now, it's not even funny. Okay, I'm using e.l.f. again. e.l.f. concealer. I have to fix it because it looks like shit.
No diggity, darling, I'm not the bad. 1738. No diggity, darling, I like the way you.
Next, I'm gonna do my foundation, and then so I'm gonna use my Rimmel London Lasting Finish 24 Hours Breathable Foundation.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some Robins.
Okay, so now I'm gonna powder my foundation with the Fit Me Maybelline Face Powder.
17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no.
Like a transition kind of color over my whole entire eye. This white color from one of my MAC palettes. I'm just gonna.
Got this soda. Remy boys that know. Fast money don't slow. No one can control.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use my colorful palette that I bought from AliExpress, and I'm gonna start with, okay, so yellows first.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very
Walking through.
the girl, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put some mascara on my top and bottom lashes.
Like the way you working on. I'm about to bag it up.
Okay, now I'm gonna put my lashes on. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the glitter liquid. Okay guys, so I finished my whole entire eye makeup look. Now I'm gonna add the bronzer, which I'm using Kiss New York. I got this from the beauty supply store. Now I'm adding the blush. I'm using Naughty and Spice by Nude Sticks.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though.
Make sure everything is like even. Now I'm gonna use one of my highlighters, which is kind of broken because, yeah, stuff happens. The Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm using like the pink one. I have all three. I have the silver, I have the gold, and the pink.
Got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press, rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add blue matte lipstick, liquid matte lipstick from Miss A as well.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the word, spins the verb. Lovers the girl, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. Don't leave it. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it.
And that's it. This is the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't that like entertaining or whatever, but the shoot took a long time, so it's kind of hard to keep this entertaining when I'm like focused. But if you want me to do more videos of these types of eyeshadow looks, then let me know in the comments down below. And if you want me to do any other videos like another lip test or like a reaction, comment down below and let me know. I hope you liked, I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button, comment down below, the subscribe button and the notification bell to get videos from me every single time I post. Bye!